This is the Ulefone, the most amazing phone you've ever seen.
Hi there, Frank George here to introduce you to the Ulefone, the next phone and your last phone that you'll ever need. You should upgrade to the Ulefone. This is the Armor 26 Ultra in black, and it comes in a standard phone version and a walkie-talkie version. I'm telling you, this phone is a game changer. So many unique features, incredible sound quality from the 121 decibel loudspeaker. I'm telling you, you've never heard anything like this before in a smartphone. Listen. Incredible. And it's got unmatched image quality for photos and videos too.
Let's see what happens. Push this line.
Oh, and the battery life, about 1 week. Yep, you heard correct, 1 week. Thanks to the built-in, non-removable lithium-ion polymer battery boasting 15,600 mAh. As you know, most smartphones these days last about 8 to 12 hours, right? At best. And less if you do a lot of videos and photos like I do. This Ulefone boasts 1,750 standby minutes and 56 hours of talk time. This phone is tough and durable, with rounded corners too, and an IP rating of 69, so it's waterproof, not just splash-proof, waterproof up to 6 feet or 2 meters, up to 30 minutes. Watch. And it's dust-proof and drop-resistant. You pull down the quick setting menu for underwater camera too to take photos and videos. You can even use it as a charging station to act as a power source for charging iPhones, tablets, smartwatches, Bluetooth headphones, all through this USB-C port cable. The display gives stunning image quality, wouldn't you say, on a 6.78-inch screen. You'll also enjoy the fingerprint-resistant coating too, but there's a tempered glass screen that's included as well. You'll also enjoy super quick performance from the MediaTek Dimensity 8020 5G CPU. The operating system is Android 13. Oh, and it has an amazing 12 gigabytes of RAM and 112 gigabyte storage. The cutting-edge cameras will blow you away. 4K recording at 30 FPS, back camera, and 1080p recording at 30 frames per second on the front camera. You'll enjoy the 200 MP main lens and 50 MP ultra wide lens, 64 MP night vision lens too, 3.2x by 8 MP telephoto lens. And the Ulefone has a quick charger cable that comes with a Euro plug to connect into. I use it when I'm in Europe and South America. And in the US, I just use my standard 120 volt adapter. And you also get this amazing case to put on your belt. You can use it vertically or horizontally. Everything is packaged in durable, strong boxes. You get everything that you see here. The Armor 26 Ultra Ulefone, the AC power charger, the Type-C data cable, the protective film that's already pre-installed on your phone, and the tempered glass screen protector too. A SIM needle also, and a lanyard for the phone. Multi-language user manual, multi-function instruction card, your warranty card, charging instruction card, safety prompt card, accessory brochure, service center app instructions, and a user guide. Oh, and setup was super easy. I just followed the instructions, and with this cable, I transferred everything from my Google Android phone to the Ulefone, including all my apps. The process was never easier with previous transfers, and I lost some stuff in the past, but not this time. I have to say, I do love the Face Unlock. Never had it before, and I transferred my NFC Google Pay account too. Oh, and I use my fingerprint sensor too. And in the user manual, you'll get instructions to download the U-Smart Camera app, expanding versatility to connect microscopes, endoscopes, and other professional tools as well. You've got to upgrade to this phone. You'll never look back.